Are you looking to start a YouTube channel but don't want to show your face? In this video, I'll share 5 amazing YouTube channel ideas that don't require you to be on camera. First up, we have the product review channel. You can showcase and review various products, from tech gadgets to beauty items, providing valuable insights to your audience. Next, we have the tutorial channel. Share your expertise and teach others how to do something. Whether it's cooking, playing an instrument, or even coding, there's always something you can teach. If you have a passion for storytelling, consider starting an animated storytime channel. Bring your stories to life through animated visuals and captivating narration. For those who love exploring new places, a travel vlog channel is perfect. Take your audience on virtual adventures, showcasing beautiful destinations and sharing your travel experiences. Lastly, we have the educational animation channel. Create informative and visually appealing animations that teach complex concepts in a fun and engaging way. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth guides on making money online.